How to change your WhatsApp profile picture? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update your WhatsApp profile photo on both iPhone and Android. Start by opening the WhatsApp app and tapping the Settings tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile at the top of the settings page. This will open your WhatsApp profile settings where you can manage your name, profile picture, and account details. Now tap Edit on your current profile photo. You'll see several options, including taking a new photo, choosing an existing photo from your gallery, or removing your current picture. Select Choose Photo if you want to upload an image from your device. Browse your gallery and pick the photo you'd like to use as your new WhatsApp profile picture. Once you've selected your image, adjust the crop if needed and confirm your choice. WhatsApp will automatically update your profile picture. Your new profile photo will now appear across WhatsApp, including your chats, profile, and anywhere your contacts can view your account information. That's how to change your WhatsApp profile picture.